Hello, my friend. Are you an expert? Are you running your own business and you provide one-on-one service to people? I just want to share this insight with you, how you can get a lead for less than $2 a day. Yes, because that's what we're doing at the moment. And why am I sharing it with you is we used to spend around $10 to $20 a day per lead. Quality leads, but that's expensive. If you really want to reach out to a lot of people, that's very expensive. So I want to share this insight with you because if you look at it, getting 1,000 leads means a difference between paying $2,000 for 1,000 leads and paying $20,000 for that same 1,000 leads. So if you compare both, if you really want to ramp up your growth very rapidly, it's high time you learn this particular insight. And it is very simple to do. And sometimes we have a lot of our clients that we do it for, generating a lead, quality lead for less than $2 a day will just skyrocket your business like that. I'm not just gonna, tell you, I'm gonna show you in a moment our page, how we actually generating this $2 a day. Actually, it's less than $2 a day, as you see in a moment. If you want to know how to do this, or you want us to do it for you, click on the link below and book appointment with me. I only want serious businesses to apply for this. If you're just starting out or you don't have any money to spend on advert yet, there's no point in learning it. So if you click on the link below, you book appointment with me, I'll schedule a time with you to discuss how we can help you ramp up your lead generation and take your business to the next level. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Okay, so I promised to show you our page on Facebook, how you can get your leads for less than $2 per lead. It's not an elaborate demonstration. It's just to show you a sample of some of our adverts. If you look at this, that's NBC ads account. That's our ads account. If you see here, this is what you're looking for, $1.89. So it means on average, that's what we spend per lead. And for this period, this is the number of leads we've got, 327 leads for $618. Okay, so if you manage to convert whatever consulting business you're doing, if you've got 300 clients and you manage to convert just 10% of them, 10%, you get like 30 clients. Yeah, imagine what 30 clients will do for your business, even if you're charging them, $100. I don't think there's any consulting like that. Minimum, you'll be charging, £1,000. So you see how this can ramp up your business very quickly. So as I said earlier, if you're interested in, knowing what to do, or you want us to do it for you, click below and then book an appointment with me, and I will be happy to meet up with you and help you change your business for good. Okay, all right, thank you for listening, and bye for now.